Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious pound cake. So I am making a 7-up pound cake. So a 7-up pound cake, it was very interesting to me because it has like it's like a citrusy flavor, very buttery, vanilla. It is so good. You could taste all those three flavors. I'm telling you, this is the best pound cake you will ever have. It is the best pound cake I ever had anyway. So my family loved it, my co-workers loved it. It is just so good. This recipe was requested by one of my subscribers, Rick. So this is for you, Rick. So guys, I'm gonna make my pound cake using a hand electric mixer and a big bowl. So in a nice big bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add my softened butter. I am using unsalted butter. I prefer the flavor, but if you want, you can use salted butter. But make sure you don't use margarine, please. Make sure that when you buy the butter, it's just cream, and if it's with salt, it's a salt. But it should only be cream, because you know, back in the days, I thought everything was butter, but it wasn't. So in the bowl, I'm gonna add it with white granulated sugar. I know it seems like a lot of sugar, but please do not cut it off, because I tested this with less sugar and it did not come out right. This is just perfect. Please just follow the recipe. So using my hand electric mixer, I am gonna mix it like for 3 minutes or so until everything is nice and fluffy and soft. Make sure that you use your spatula to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl, because you know these things don't do their job right. So what we're gonna do is just add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once your eggs are incorporated, we're going to go ahead and add the citrus zest. So I'm going to be using lemon zest and I'm going to be using lime zest. Make sure that you do not use the white part, because that part can be a little bitter and we don't want that. And also we're going to go ahead and add vanilla extra. Now just mix everything together until well combined. So once everything is nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and add our dry ingredients. So I sifted my all-purpose flour, my baking powder, and my salt. So I'm going to add 1/3 of the dry ingredients with all the milk. And mix it all together until well combined. So now I'm going to add half of the 7-Up and mix it in. Then I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/3 of the dry ingredients with the rest of the 7-Up and mix, and then you're gonna end up with the other 1/3 of the flour and finish it up with the flour. If this is complicated, in the description box I'll have all the instructions ready for you. So once everything is nice and smooth, your batter, scrape the sides to make sure everything is well combined. So here I have a bun pan where I'm gonna bake my pound cake. I'm gonna brush it with some melted shortening because I read in a blog that it is better because that way your pound cake won't stick, but we shall see. So if you don't have melted shortening, just use a baking spray, you know. So you're gonna divide the batter, you're gonna add the batter evenly among the pan. I like to shake it a little bit so I know everything is well distributed. Oh my god, I can't even speak, guys. Distributed. After that, we are going to bake our pound cake at a 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. So my pound cake baked for exactly 1 hour. If your pound cake is not ready in 1 hour, give it 10 more minutes. You want to make sure that when you insert a toothpick, it comes out clean. So after 1 hour, mine was perfect. So after your cake come out of the oven, let it cool for 10 minutes, and then you're going to invert it there and let it cool completely. And after that, enjoy your cake. Some people like to do like a little glaze, like lemon glaze or 7-Up glaze. I feel like you don't need this with this cake because I think it's just perfect. So, but you can if you want. Like just mix powdered sugar with lemon juice or 7-Up and drizzle over it. But you know, to each his own. So I have a piece of my pound cake here. It is so moist, guys. Even after day 3, The pound cake was so soft and moist. It was just unbelievable. I'm not exaggerating, so you have to make the recipe so you could see by yourself. I'm just gonna give it a try. Oh my god. You could taste everything. The butter, the little bit of lime and lemon, the vanilla. It is so good, so moist and soft. I'm telling you, you need to make this. If you make it, let me know. Send me a picture through Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is. The recipe will be in the description box, and I see you in my next upload. Bye.